What is up, everybody? I just want to make a quick portion of this video explaining what happened. I was hoping to have this video for you guys uploaded Tuesday night, but then some stuff came up and I was going to hopefully get it uploaded Wednesday night because the obviously part of this video you'll see overlapped into Wednesday. And then our whole household ended up getting sick. My girlfriend got sick and my sister got sick about 3 o'clock that same night. And then I got sick Thursday morning. So all three of us were sick. We were sick all day. Wasn't very fun, but we're starting to get better. So I apologize for that. I was hoping to have this video up like 3 or 4 days ago, but that didn't happen just because you'll see where it overlaps into Wednesday, and then that's when we all got sick. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, and hope you guys enjoy. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, the Indiana weather sucks again. It has been cold and rainy and just nasty the past couple days, and it's supposed to be like that. I think the rest of this week's supposed to be decent, but it's supposed to be only like 20s and 30s, and then Saturday night into Sunday and Sunday into Monday supposed to get some snow. They said it could be a couple inches, and then I guess it turns to rain. So trying to make videos is very difficult when the weather doesn't want to cooperate, because I don't want to stand out here in the cold and film. So sorry for that, but I'm being honest, it's not very fun. And especially if you have to wear giant gloves and stuff, and it's just hard to like handle the camera and stuff. Excuse me. But the last video was down in the shop. We have the fenders painted, they're gone. Jared picked those up, and then my aunt's door, it is also done, and it's gonna be going on her car tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. I don't know if I'll have this video uploaded tonight or tomorrow, but either way. So we'll be doing that. We'll be doing a full detail on her car. As for this video, we're gonna be working on the 98. A couple videos back, we took the cluster apart and started changing some of the bulbs, and I told you we didn't have the right bulbs or the bulb size, so we're gonna do that again. I finally got the right ones. They're right here. Won't show my address or anything, but they're right here. We have 10 white bulbs in there. I think I got them off eBay for like $5 or $6. So we're gonna go ahead and get those changed out. And then for that truck over there, I'm gonna kinda, in the end of this video, kinda explain what's been up with it, and hopefully an upcoming video for Project 79. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this tore apart. You guys have probably seen this 1,000 times. Basically, all you have to do is there's clips that hold it in. Just pull like that, and those little tabs there hold it in. I have to move the cup, and then we'll disconnect the cargo lamp, the four-wheel drive, if you guys can see it, that switch, and then the dome light switch or the headlight switch here. And then it's 4 7mm screws or 8mm. I'm not 100% sure which one, but 2 on each corner. We'll pull that out, and then I'll bring you back and show you how to twist out the bulb, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll pick you up shortly. So I got my 4 screws out. They were 7mm, so I was correct. So now we're just gonna rotate key forward, drop it down, and then you'll plug it or disengage it, however, I don't know what you want to call it, but just like that. And then I'm going to try and do this with one hand, see if I can get it pulled out of here. Maybe. It's kind of difficult doing it one-handed, but for the YouTube. Got to use my other hand real quick. There we go. So there we go. There we go. And then these bulbs here are the ones we're going to be changing. All the little ones are already swapped over to LEDs. So I have to put one in there. And I think that's it. I might have to put one here. I don't remember though. So the new ones, these big ones, it comes as a whole unit. So when you untwist them, they're all together. What I mean is, like, the casing and the bulb are like united as one. The little ones, take pliers and twist it, and then you can typically pull the bulb from the socket and then just put the LED bulb in it. That's what I did. So we're gonna go ahead and put one in here, and I think that's the only one we need. Oh no, we need one over here. So those are the two. You can kind of tell from like the wear here. There you go. There, wear there. Let me turn the key off. There, hopefully you guys can hear me now. Like the wear where it like rubs, unlike this one over here to where there's no bulb in there. You can tell like where the socket, like when you twist it on, the bulb rubs. Like down here, there's not one there, there's not one there. So I think it's this one here and then this one here are the only two bulbs that I need. And I think that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those swapped in here real quick. And then I'll plug it back up. It is the perfect time too, like if you want to clean all this out, which I desperately need to. And then over there in that corner, just make it nicer and cleaner so you don't have to worry about it. There's like a dead bug or something I just pushed down in there. But we're gonna go ahead and get these swapped over and then get it put back in there, and we'll test it and make sure everything works. And then we should be good to go. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in probably 30 seconds. Okay, sorry for the humming, first of all. Second of all, it took a little bit longer than the 30 seconds like I thought it was going to. So I ran into a problem with my brights. That bulb went out, and it's the one that's right in the middle. I thought it was a good bulb, but I went ahead and changed it anyway. And it is fixed now. I mean, you can tell how much brighter everything is. We got those two bulbs over here, and then the bright indicator works again. Oh, turn signal won't work because the key's not on. I'll show you what it looks like with LED. So everything works like it should. There's the LED turn signal. There's that turn signal. So it's gonna be a lot brighter now. So that's a plus. I'm gonna continue kind of working because, like you can tell, this side's over here a little bit dim. So I don't know if I have one of the bulbs reversed or what. But we're gonna try and fix that. And then if I get that fixed, we're just gonna go ahead and put all our screws back in, and then we'll continue on. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll pick you up shortly. Hopefully it will be a little bit faster than this last time. So apologize again for the humming, but the key is on. It took a little bit longer than I was expecting, but we got it fully functional, all LEDs on. Oh, I'm gonna turn the key on again. So turn it, everything's LED. We still have our turn signal, hazards, bright indicator. So we are good to go. So now I'm gonna get my 4 screws put back in. When you guys are messing with like your cluster and stuff, they recommend you disconnect the battery just in case you like short anything out. But I've done 10 clusters from like my dad's old Suburban to this truck to my 2001 to like kids at school and stuff like that, and I've never had any problems. But we are fully lit, as you can tell. It's a lot better than what it was, so I kind of had to change a few bulbs around. Remember, when you're doing LEDs, they do go in a certain way, so if you, it's trial and error. It takes a little bit, but put one in, plug your cluster back in. If it's not lit, pull that bulb out, spin it a half a turn, plug it back in, and then see. That's what I had to do. That's why it took so long. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get these 4 screws put back in. I might touch up a little bit of the paint here on the grill, get it all taped up and get it touched up, and then we'll go ahead and throw this thing back together. It might be tomorrow morning, but we're gonna go ahead and get that done. So I'll see you guys whenever I see you. We are back in the garage. Sorry if it echoes. I do have the door down because I'm about to paint this thing. I was gonna try and use some tape on it, but I don't know if the tape just sucks or if there's like Armor All or something on the dash piece, but it didn't want to stick very well down here. So I'm hoping I can just take this plate here and then just kind of stick it in that little seam there like that, and then spray it. Oh, well, that might work. I might have to find a different box, but we're just going with this metallic dark steel look. That's what it'll look like. I did that once before, but it was like peel. I don't remember what it was, but it's kind of coming up like here, and then there's a spot over here. So I'm gonna probably try and find something different real quick that will work a little bit better. Might end up using this Coke box here, just something thin enough to stick in that crack. But I'll bring you guys back when we're getting ready to paint on this. And then looks like I need a new vent piece here. Looks like I broke it when I went and shut the door, so that's not good. But well, I guess we'll be looking for another one of those. But yeah, we'll go ahead and try and get this painted. I'll probably time lapse this part of it so you guys aren't bored. But we'll jump right into it.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so there you guys go. You can see it. Nice little mod to do. I need to get a Q-tip and kind of clean up the edges, but and then also find a new vent because this vent's broke. The clips down here are broke, so it's literally held in by like Gorilla tape. So, but a lot of people do like the splattered paint look. I'm not a huge fan of that because if you do the splattered paint on like your cover and stuff, and then you don't do it to anything else, it just looks tacky to me. I did this because the blue was kind of dirty because this is a used piece. I got this one and another one when I bought the truck. The other one was in the truck. I don't remember what broke on it, but I swapped this one in there and it was just dirty. Like the blue was kind of like, it wasn't really blue, it was black. So I just painted it silver to make it look a little bit better. I do like the blue and silver look. A lot better than I do like the splattered paint and stuff, and I think it just, I mean, kind of dresses it up a little bit. But I'm gonna go look for a vent for this. I'm gonna let this dry, get it thrown back in the truck. Obviously 4x4 goes there, cargo light there, radio and all that stuff, and then your light switch. So I don't paint the whole thing. Like I said, I like to keep the original blue color with like the dash and stuff. But when you do like the silver in here with the LED lights and the aftermarket radio and stuff, it kind of makes it glow or shine a little bit, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get the edges of this cleaned up, and then we'll let it dry and then reinstall it. So stick around, guys. If you have any questions on anything, just leave them down in the comments. That's the paint I used, just metallic Rust-Oleum paint and primer in one. So I'm gonna let this dry and see how it looks. Okay guys, so it is the next night. I was gonna make the video or finish it up the next morning, but then I was like, well, you really won't be able to see anything. But we changed a few things up. That light there in the door is now an LED. I still have to change the other one because it is burnt out. That light needs to go to an LED. I still have to do that yet. But let me pull my key out real quick so it doesn't ding at us. That is what it looks like after it's all said and done. So LEDs all up there. We have LEDs down here. This door light. And then over here. And then also, if you guys remember, I put in those LED reverse lights right there. I wish I could show you, but I can't. But anyway, that is what it looks like when you get it all done. I'm gonna try and do that door. I don't know if I'll have time to do it tomorrow. But other than that, you know, and I have the cargo light I need to swap over to. Oh, I got one side burnt out. Oh no, I don't. Oh, it just clicked on. But I need to eventually change that third brake light or the cargo light there, and then I'm eventually change over the tail lights to something different. But yeah, that's what it looks like. This thing over here is so much brighter now. You can actually like see what you're doing. I mean, there you go, there's a good perspective. Lights up the ground and stuff. But that's what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, that is pretty simple to do. I think it was like $5 to $10 for all these lights. Like the new cluster ones I bought, they're T10s, I believe. They're like $5 or $6, and then the package before that, like all these ones, like that LED, and obviously like that one over there, like a pack of, I think 10 as well, was like $4 or $5 when I ordered it like a couple months ago. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You have $10 worth of light. You can make your vehicle, truck, car, whatever you drive look pretty good. But remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one when we're working on the 79, so stay tuned for that. And smash that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe and share the channel, and we'll see you soon. Peace.